I don't understand why this AIG has refused to take Very Dark Man to court to prove his innocence. Very Dark Man is not a federal law enforcement agent. He opened his mouth and defamed you, Assistant Inspector General of Police. And you are relying on public statements. You are relying on social media. You are relying on press. You are relying on people. What happened to going to court? What happened to suing Very Dark Man? A man of your class, a man of your stature, a man in your position should not be found in anywhere near this kind of mess. Very Dark Man made his claim. Take him to court, sue him, serve him papers. That's the easiest thing to do. That's the best thing to do. Why not rely on the same law that you're protecting, you're upholding? Why not rely on the same law that you swore an oath that you're going to uphold the law? Why not rely on the same rule of law? Rely on the Nigerian judiciary system. It doesn't make any sense to me. It clearly shows that Very Dark Man has got a point, and Very Dark Man is holding you by blockers. Because if Very Dark Man don't have a solid evidence, he wouldn't have made the statement he made. But one thing that is really, really shocking me, trust me, a lot of times I don't get shocked about Nigerian situation. But this particular one, they shock me. In fact, it shock absorb me at the same time. Is why this man is relying on public statement. Why are they making such statements and such utterances? Calling Very Dark Man names, insulting him, watering down his efforts. It won't change the fact that Very Dark Man labeled a serious allegation against AIG. It doesn't change that fact. Go to court and prove your innocence, bro. Go to court. You're not going to court. You're telling Nigerians that Very Dark Man is right. I be Very Dark Man, they right. You compromise evidence. You illegally torture that young man. You illegally torture people. You do illegal job. Because if not me now or any other mushroom content creator said this thing now, you people would have come for their head on a platter. You for don't come with DSS and bandits together. But it's Very Dark Man. You are speaking in parables, stuttering, looking for your words, but you can't find yourself.
Up to this very moment, the AIG, Inspector General of Police, have not come out to clear or to reply Very Dark Man about the allegation Very Dark Man said he did. Very Dark Man said that he tortured David till David died. Up to now, the AIG have not come out to say anything. This only teaches us one thing in this country, that these people will think that they are the one protecting the law, but right behind our back, they are the one breaking the law. This thing now that Very Dark Man said that the AIG did, if it were ordinary citizens, maybe it were like ordinary content creators, not person like Very Dark Man, by now the person will be in police custody. But because it is Very Dark Man is more influential. Very Dark Man has connection. People know Very Dark Man well. So it means that even if you arrest Very Dark Man, people will march. Nigerian citizens will march the streets of Abuja until Very Dark Man is released. And on the other hand, AIG, by now you should have come out to clear yourself, because this is a strong allegation. And before Very Dark Man will come out and start saying all this kind of thing to the person like AIG of police, it means that Very Dark Man have a strong evidence. So this is just a very simple thing. Come out and clear yourself that you did not do this thing, or you take Very Dark Man to court for him to prove what he is saying that you do. The AIG, this message is going directly to you. It is very, very simple. It's just simple as an ABCD. Come and prove that you did not torture David to him by, or take Very Dark Man to court. And mind you, before Very Dark Man starts saying all this kind of thing, know that the guy has a strong evidence. Before you can even start making this type of allegation to the person of AIG. You see these police officers, you might be thinking that these people are innocent, that they are here to protect you against other bad citizens. But the other way around, they are the one breaking the law. They are even the one going against the law. So the AIG, Assistant Inspector General of Police, come and prove your innocence, or you take Very Dark Man to court. These are the only things available. And as these are the only option you have now. These are the only option you have now. I'll see play another video for you. It also concerns this police case of a thing. These days now just police people just a trend. I see concern this police of a thing where they were breaking a windscreen of a guy with their guns. So just watch the video, and if you are watching the video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button so whenever I drop content, YouTube will notify you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I go to bring better content they give you now. Thank you.
So this thing happened yesterday. If you know Chiboy Motors in Abakaliki, that was where this incident happened. They said that the governor's convoy was coming out from Centenary City. The driver of the car was trying to clear the road. You know how the people on a motorbike, all this Triumph, you know how they drive. So the guy was trying to clear road for the convoy to pass, and he hit one of the Triumphs, and the guy fell down. The only thing the DSS that was escorting the governor did was that they came out, bounced on the guy, broke his windscreen, and the other one carried the Triumph and left. I'm very sure that the governor may or may not have been aware of this incident. But this is the kind of incidents that make the public not to have trust in their leader. If you know the governor, tag him to this video. I don't have anything against Governor Francis Ogbonnamifru. Everything I want is for Ebonyi State to be governed right. And when I speak, I'm not speaking it out of bitterness. No. As a sitting governor who has the interest of the people at heart, I think there should be nothing like this. In fact, some time ago, it was recorded that the governor's convoy killed someone. They said everything was later settled by the governor. I'm appealing to His Excellency. You have all it takes to look for this young man. This is an assault on his fundamental human right. He may have been wrong to have jammed a motorbike person, but humiliating him this way does not send any good signal at all about yourself and your administration. And I want to appeal to you. Maybe it's high time you speak to your convoy. When they are inside the city of Abakaliki, they need to slow down. They need to understand that the people that are walking on these roads, they are the people you are meant to protect. They are the people whose mandate you are representing. They are the people that made you governor in the first place. Without them, perhaps you may not even have been a governor. So this is me appealing to you. If there is any way you can, reach out to this man, because what has been meted on him forever in his life and the life of his family and his village, anybody he tells this story will always say that this was done to him by you. You may not have been seen on the picture, but because it's your convoy, you are the one that is in the picture. Leadership is not by violence. As a leader, you need to come down from your high horses and feel what the people are feeling. Even if that man has committed any offense, the right thing that would have been done would have been taking him through the normal criminal justice system and not to brutalize him that way. If security agency that is supposed to protect lives could treat somebody this way, what mouth would they have to speak against jungle justice? And I'm very sure, Your Excellency, that if you gather these people and advise them, tell them you don't want to hear this kind of story again, especially within Abakaliki Aziz and the Ebonyi State in general, they will listen to you, because he that pays the piper dictates the tune. If you know this guy or you have any information on how I can reach him, please tell him to contact me or come to my DM.